The armed forces of Russia and Ukraine reported the frontline progress in the last 24 hours. The armed clashes continued in some areas June 5. Air defense facilities have intercepted 2 Storm Shadow cruise missiles, 2 Tochka-U tactical missiles and 14 HIMARS and Uragan multiple launch rocket system ballistic missiles, Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson, said. In addition, 21 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles have been shot down close to Vrubovka, Lozovsky, Kremennaya, Lugansk People's Republic, Orlinskoye, Maly Kremenchik, Volodino, Donetsk People's Republic, Zhovtnyovoye, Kharkov region, Novaya Kakhovka, Lyubimovka, Andreevka, Kherson region, Rabotino, Zaporozhye region, and also over the Black Sea waters. Lieutenant General Igor Konashenkov, the Russian Federation Defense Ministry spokesperson, said in total the armed forces of Ukraine lost 433 fighter jets, 236 helicopters, 4,486 unmanned aerial vehicles, 424 air defense missile systems and 9,431 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles. Also 1,114 fighting vehicles equipped with MLRS, 5,009 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 10,688 special military motor vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation. The other side from Kyiv, the armed forces of Ukraine in an official statement June 5 said Russia lost 410 servicemen in a single day, including 11 tanks, 11 armored combat vehicles as well as 12 artillery units and 14 drones. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky thanked to all strategic partners who help Ukraine. Russia and Ukraine conflict has been lasting for 467 days. There is still no peace settlement between two sides.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!